Connect the power supply and turn on the switch. Connect compressed air. Add water to the water cooler and make sure the liquid level is within the normal range and the water temperature is around 22 degrees Celsius. Connect the wire feeder signal cable. Install the wire guide. Installing the wire spool. Turn on the machine and select manual wire feeding in the controller. Press the wire feed button for a long time to allow the welding wire to pass through the wire guide tube completely to the head. Installing the welding head and nozzle. Before formal use, make sure that the light point of the gun head is in the center. Usually it has been debugged before leaving the factory, but you can adjust it yourself to ensure the effect. Adjust the welding width to 0 and the power to 100%. Start cutting. Replace welding nozzle. Install the wire guide tube to the fixed position of the laser gun head. Select the setting parameters that match the processing material. Start welding. Replace the cleaning head and the special focusing lens for cleaning. One touch switch to cleaning mode. Start cleaning.